he's getting it now.
Hey everyone, welcome to Heavy Metal Customs. Today we're going to be back on our 68 Mustang project, and this is not going to be a real long video, but I just wanted to get this one in there. We got the drip rails in, so we want to go ahead and get them set up and installed and finished. It's not that bad of a job, I'm assuming. At least it don't look that bad. But let's get into it and see what we can accomplish. Drip moldings, rain guards, as you call them. Here they are. Yeah, right strange looking. Let's investigate a bit these things. Oh, this is a lot of roads. I think there's going to be some hammer tapping going on here. Anything you want. Buddy Adams here. Y'all know Hootie Who. If you don't, run over to his channel, Bang Bang Channel. Yeah, he's the one that got me started in all this business. What you need cardboard for? Oh, okay. He's working on his monster truck, monster Jeep, whatever you call it. That big thing sitting out front, that's what he's working on. He's doing some cleanup on it, and they left a open space. Should be a panel here where a bunch of the electrical fuse box and stuff is. So he's going to make a cardboard cutout, bring it in here, and then we'll make him a nice metal panel that'll go in there and screw down like it's supposed to. That looks like it's going in there sort of like maybe where it needs to go in a way, sort of. Not really digging it. It does come over, lift here, fits in. I think where that square is going to line up. And I managed to be able to get a couple clamps in here. This was the point where it wasn't fitting correctly. So in my opinion, that's when we should pull it first. This was just barely holding. Of course, you know, plastic, it would slide on it. So, I think I got that figured. The only issue now is getting this pulled up, which I might have to just run something up and push up against it. If I can find this little piece of metal to put in there and slamp it, but I'll figure that out. But let me take it back off. I got my hole puncher. Go ahead and give me some holes in this thing so I can get it welded in there. Got this passenger side all welded in. Looking good. I know I overweld stuff. I actually got some weld up in there, some down in here, and got some right in there. And besides the, well, not the holes, I got a little bit of seam weld here and there, as you can tell. Just a little extra holding. I mean, it's going to cost me some extra grinding, but that's okay. I would rather be 100% sure that this thing is where it's supposed to be and it's not going to end up coming loose. All right, now let me get her ground down and get some primer on her, then I'll go to the other side. All right, got that one welded in there, of course. Got a ground down and get some primer thrown in there. Yeah, it turned out very well. And we got our driver's side also. And it fit and turned out very well. So now what I got to do is grab some seam sealer and basically just the whole thing where it meets the roof and the front post. We're going to run seam sealer all the way down and around and down through there. I mean, if not, you don't have a weather-tight seal on this thing. So the seam sealer will take care of it. And don't stress, the seam sealer is fine. Once it's set up and dry, you can prime over it and then paint like normal without no issues. All right, got that seam sealer run down in there. And we'll get that filled in really well. What I'll do after that's dry, I will go back and lightly sand to give me a smooth finish. And at that time I can check if I missed any small spots. As of now, I did not. Like I say, it all came out really well. Yeah, I don't see no issues with that whatsoever. But safety side, saying, oh no, in a couple of days I'll let this stuff really set up and then recheck, and then if I want I can spray some primer on it or wait till I primer the whole car. That choice is up to you. And that's pretty much it. It's not rocket science. Just make sure you get them pushed in, pushed up, square a hole there, square a hole there, and everything fits fine. Take your time on them, get you some good welds, and get that seam sealer in there, and you'll be good to go. Well, everyone, I appreciate you watching the video. Hope you enjoyed that. I enjoyed doing it. That wasn't bad at all. Just had a side over there give me a little bit of problems, but hey, I worked it out. Well, if you would, throw us down some comments. If you're able, hit us up on the super thanks. And please, like, share, and subscribe. Again, appreciate it much. Till the next one, we hope that everyone has a fantastic day.